the Best of Jamaica 2020 Los Angeles results show. We asked and you responded, so here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in Los Angeles for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicel International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicel International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicel International app or visit digicelinternational.com.
The best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery. And this one to me is no surprise. It is the Golden Crust Caribbean Bakery. So congratulations to you there. Then the other category, where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries in Los Angeles? It's Stone's Grocery and Market. So congratulations to you. Then we have, what is the best Jamaican local what is the best Jamaican local restaurant? Yeah, it's Hungry Joe's Jamaican Restaurant. So congratulations to them there. And last but not least in that area, what is the best Jamaican / Caribbean annual event that people miss the most attending due to COVID-19? And it's Reggae on the River. So congratulations.
I like that. Reggae on the... I even like just the name of it. Reggae on the River.
Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here, keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.